We're at the Marine Park down here in Salmon Arm. We're gonna hit this wharf. It's the longest wharf in North America, apparently. And I'm gonna smell these flowers. So yeah, down on the wharf here, there's a cafe on the bay. You can get ice cream, snacks, shakes. So what did you say? It's been here since what? 1884, this wharf's been here. Because people used to take ferries up and down the lake before there was cars.
Has there been war? 19 what?
1884.
Oh my goodness. Has there been war?
Because there was no cars, right? So you used to have to get on the ferry to go to different towns. The ferry boat. Beautiful park though. Awesome gardens. Got this little post here and it says, "May peace prevail on earth." And then it's got the local Shuswap language. And then French, obviously. And I believe that this looks Japanese, I think. I don't know. Here's the bay, Shuswap. Look at the mountain over there. Beautiful. Some First Nations sculptures. Got to the end and cafe at the bay is closed. And the kids are disappointed to say the least.
Very sad. I actually feel hurt.
They wanted ice cream.
It doesn't even look bad, man. That shit is good.
More turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them.
A big one too.